Welcome students to my channel. In today's video, I will discuss how to calculate the determinant of a 2 cross 2 matrix. Here we can see that we have a matrix of order 2 cross 2. Now we are interested in finding the determinant of this matrix. Before that, I want to tell you that we denote the determinant by two vertical lines. So this is a symbol of a determinant. Now suppose this is the matrix A and we are interested in finding the determinant of A. Now the formula to calculate the determinant of a 2 cross 2 matrix is that at first we need to find out the product of these diagonal elements, that is 2 into 0. Then we have to subtract the product of these diagonal elements, that means 4 into minus 1, that is equals to 0 minus of minus 4, which is equals to 4. So this is the answer. This is how we have to calculate the determinant